In a small, beautiful town where the sun always smiles and the flowers dance with the wind, lived a little girl named Ender. Ender was no ordinary girl. From the time she was just 2 years old, she loved to help her mom with everything. Cooking, cleaning, tidying up. If mom did it, Ender wanted to do it too. Most kids loved to play, and so did Ender. But she also loved to help. She would carefully wipe the table, put her toys away, and even try to fold little clothes. She watched her mom cook delicious meals and would eagerly ask, "Mommy, can I help?" Ender wasn't just hardworking, she was brave too. She wasn't afraid to try new things and learn from her mistakes. As the years passed, Ender remained the same sweet and hardworking girl, always smiling, always eager to help. But one day, something unexpected happened. Mom had a very special surprise for Ender. But what could it be? What do you think the surprise is? Will Ender's kindness and hard work lead to something amazing? Stay tuned for the next episode of Ender the Little Helper.